Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes function key for brightness not working on Windows 11, 10 fix. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand monitors, right-click Monitor, uninstall device, after uninstall restart system. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click Keyboard, uninstall device, after uninstall restart system. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display, uninstall device, after uninstall restart system. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.